Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Before it, don't forget friends to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next interesting video. Okay, this time I will give a tutorial on how to send up photos, videos and file from an Android phone. First, we open Gmail. After that, click Compose at the bottom of the display. After that, typing the email address you want to send photos, videos, or file. Click attachment symbol at the top of the display and click the attach file. Select photo or video you want to send. Is the photos and this is a videos. Okay. You can see that the same way about you want to send photos or videos. You can see this is a JPG. It means this is our photos, and this is MP4. It means the videos. To send file later, I will explain after this. Okay. After that, and attaching file, we click the send symbol at the top. And that's it. The video and photo is sent. Okay. If you want to send the file and document, you first to open the file manager. Click Docs. After we click the file you want to send, and then click send the bottom of the display. After that, select Gmail as the sending medium. Type the email address to you want sent by your file. After that, click send at the top and the file will be sent. Okay, let's check in my email. Yeah, this is a send. Okay, thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful for you.